Just a quick video to show the location of the crank position sensor on a Honda Element. This is a 2004, and I couldn't find anywhere on the interwebs a good indication of the location, and everything I found was on the Honda Accords, or other Honda Civics and whatnot, where it's a major deal to get to this thing. So I was really surprised, pleasantly, to find it sitting right there. All I have to do is take off this one flap. It has two of the body pins, the kind where you have to pull out the center and then the whole thing comes out. So there's one, two, fold this down, 10mm bolt right there, and the electrical connection, and it pops right out. I don't know if this, I've got a new one, and I don't know if it's going to fix my problem, but at least it won't be that big of a pain to try it out. Gave it a quick visual before taking it out of the plastic so that if it wasn't the right part I could return it. It does appear to be the part. This is the Dorman. By the way, pays to shop. This was 44 something on Amazon and 77 I think on at AutoZone. So Amazon it was. Alright, place your bets. This was a crank no start problem.